Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about your week 4 assignment, just to go over it to make sure it's clear to you. So we're going to continue talking about channels of communication, and you're going to continue to apply the knowledge that you have and what you've learned about these channels and how they're used and in what situations. So for this assignment, you're going to be using a worksheet, which is found right here. And I'm going to bring this up right here. So first of all, make sure to read these instructions. You want to make sure that your explanation for each channel that you've chosen is at least a minimum of 100 words. Remember, that's the very minimum. There are 7 different scenarios that you're going to be presented with. So 100 words for each, and so at least or a minimum of 700 words total. So you're given an example here so that you can see what is expected. First, you're given or provided a scenario which says that this is a job interview and that you're looking to hire a candidate who would be a good fit for your company. You have narrowed it down to 3 candidates who are most qualified, but you want to know more about them and why they want the job. So first, you have to decide what would be the best method of communication. And in this case, face-to-face communication is usually the best way to interview someone. And then you're going to explain this in more detail. And you're going to give your reasonings of why this would be the best channel. And so for this example, it says in this case, face-to-face communication would be the preferred communication channel. If that's not possible because the candidate lives in a different city or state, then a virtual meeting would be the next best communication channel. Job interviews require the interviewer and the candidate to exchange information by asking and answering questions, and this can be accomplished best in a face-to-face virtual setting. And of course, you could add things about the way in which we could use nonverbal communication. You can see the person, whatever else you feel would make this the most effective means or mode, or we call it channel of communication. So there are 7. Make sure you read the details because some of them might help you decide on the mode or what would be the best mode. So for example, number 2 says employee improvement request. And it says you were a manager of an employee at a delivery service who is not meeting job requirement expectations, so you need to talk to them. But here at the end, it says you and your employee do not work at the same location. So when choosing the best channel of communication, make sure you consider those specific details. Okay, so I hope this is clear and has been helpful to you. And I hope you're having a very good Thursday. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye. If you have any questions, don't forget, send me a message. All right, bye.